In this video, I'm going to talk about the graphical representation of a linear regression model. And this was the linear regression model that I showed you in the previous video. This is a simple linear regression model because it is showing us the relationship only between these two variables, x and y. Later on, we are going to extend this model to include other x variables in the model. In that case, it will be called a multiple linear regression model. But here we are dealing with a simple linear regression model. So essentially the question is, what is the relationship between x and y? And what we hope to achieve is whether this x variable is causing this variable y. And I gave you example of wage and education in the previous video. So these are the two parameters that we are interested in. This beta 1 parameter, it will show us the impact of x on y. Actually, it's going to show us two things. It's going to show us the direction of the relationship between x and y and the magnitude of the relationship between x and y. Another parameter that we may be interested in will be this beta 0 parameter or intercept parameter. And I'm going to show you both these parameters in a simple linear regression modeling framework. I'm going to show both of these parameters on a graph. So the first thing we need to know is what will be the value of this equation if x is 0. If x is 0, the value of y will be equal to beta 0. This is why we call this parameter as an intercept. The second is, if we take the derivative of this whole equation, we want to know what is the change in y if x changes by 1 unit, beta 1. This is why this is called slope parameter. Okay, so I'm going to show you both of these parameters on this graph. So let's assume this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, and we want to explore the relationship between x and y. In our example of wage and education, this is education and this is wage level. So we may have data about like different individuals with different levels of education and different wage levels. If we plot those data points, we may get something like this. And what linear regression model does, it draw a line in between these points to show the relationship between x and y. What is the value of y when x is 0? That value is right here. So this point, this is called the intercept. Here the value of x is 0. When x is 0, the value of y is beta 0. The next point is if x changes by 1 unit. So this is a change in x by 1 unit. For example, in the wage example, the education may change 10 years to 11 years. If we move from this point to this point, what is the impact on this y variable? So what is the impact on y? We know y is going to change by, so this will be the change in y. So delta y, that is the change in y because of delta x if x changes by 1 unit. And how much is this change? This slope will show us what is this change. So that is why this is called a slope parameter. This beta 1 parameter, it will show us the change in y, which will be caused by 1 unit change in x. So this was a graphical representation of a linear relationship between two variables, x and y. And obviously the point here is to use information contained in a variable x so that we can predict another variable y as accurately as possible. And in this video I talked about the intuition behind the intercept and the slope parameters which show the relationship between x and y, and obviously we'll talk more about these parameters in this chapter. Alright, I'll see you in the next video to talk about the fit values and how to calculate residuals from a simple linear regression model.